How are you, students? Today is our fifth piano lesson. This is the fifth one of the series of videos for this lockdown. So enjoy the tutorials, free tutorials for piano, and hope you're learning fast. Alright, this fifth lesson, we are having again a new song, new piece, and I bet you will be able to do this fast. You'll be able to learn this fast. Okay, so again, same position. So the right thumb should be on the middle C, middle Do. Right? Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So. And for the left hand, it's on the next Do. See, Do. You just count. This is the Do, the next Do on the left. Okay, so the pinky should be there, and the thumb should be on the So. So Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So also. But we will call it if you remember, we are calling it C, D, E, F, G. Right? Okay, good. So let's try first the right hand. You ready? Okay. By the way, there's a new note. This is the new note that I'm teaching you. That would be La. So La is just the neighbor of this pinky, of this right hand pinky. So this is So, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La. Okay, so the La is just there. So we will just be pressing the La with the pinky. So you can just quickly adjust the pinky there on the right. So let's try it. So, La, So, Fa, Mi, Fa, So, hold. Re, Mi, Fa, hold. Oh, there's supposed to be a hold there. So, hold. So, La, So, Fa, Mi, Fa, So, hold. Re, hold. So, hold. Mi, Do, hold. Like that, okay? So let me just put the hold there, Re, Mi, Fa, and then hold there, okay? So hang on, just a sec. Alright, so let's try again. You can let's try it with the drums now quickly. So you ready? 1, 2, ready, go. So, La, So, Fa, Mi, Fa, So, hold. Re, Mi, Fa, hold. Mi, Fa, So, hold. So, La, So, Fa, Mi, Fa, So, hold. Re, hold. So, hold. Mi, Do, hold. Got it? Alright. So that's the right hand. Now, let's try now both hands, but no drums yet. So we will just do both hands. C there, and the G here. Okay, you remember? C and G. So let's try both hands. 1, 2, 3, go. So, La, So, Fa, Mi, Fa, So, hold. Re, Mi, Fa, hold. Mi, Fa, So, hold. So, La, So, Fa, Mi, Fa, So, hold. Re, hold. So, hold. Mi, Do, hold. Get it? Alright, good. So again, you can rewind and rewind these parts so that you will be able to master them. Yeah. So let's now go on to the two hands, both hands, but with a drum. Okay. All right. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. So, La, So, Fa, Mi, Fa, So, hold. Re, Mi, Fa, hold. Mi, Fa, So, hold. So, La, So, Fa, Mi, Fa, So, hold. Re, hold. So, hold. So that's the fifth lesson. Yeah, so you can just rewind and rewind and rewind parts so that you'll be able to master them. You can also make the speed slower, like 0.75, so that you can cope up. Yeah, all right, good. So see you on the sixth tutorial, sixth lesson. All right, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and then turn on the notification so that you will still receive a notification on your phone, on your computer, or on your parents' computer or phone. Yeah, good. Bye bye, see you again.